So hello guys, welcome back to my channel The Crafty Chronicles. So today I'll be painting on this 12-inch MDF board which I got from Flipkart. I got a set of 3 of them. This MDF board. The thickness I don't know, but you can check it in my description box as I have provided the link of all the products I have been using and I am using in this video, so do check it out. You will get the details. So first I am going to paint this MDF board with black acrylic color, this camel fabrica which I got from the local market. So after applying this black acrylic color all over this MDF board, I'm going to use some of my dot mandala tools to put this texture what I have in my mind. So first and the most basic and important step of a dot mandala art, that is marking guidelines. I am doing this first to know the center of this MDF board, and after finding the center of the MDF board you have to apply a craft mirror, circular craft mirror. I'm applying it. So after pasting the circular craft mirror in the center, I am using the smallest dotting tool. After making the smallest circle with white acrylic color, I'm making another circle with a larger dotting tool and with a lighter shade. So guys, soon I will be uploading a detailed tutorial video on all the dot mandala patterns. If you want to learn how I'm doing this, so do subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed yet, and also hit the like button and the bell icon for all the updates of my channel.